As we have learned that how we are going to add two vectors, in this video I'm going to tell you that how you can subtract two vectors. So for example, let us say I'm taking two vectors. Let one be a vector, another would be b vector. Let this be your a vector and this be your b vector, right? And I want to subtract them. You know how to add them. Okay, if you know how to add them, if I want to find, let us say I want to find a vector plus b vector, how do we add two vectors? We select any one of the vectors and place it in such a way that its one arrowhead joins with initial point of another vector. So the third side of triangle is your r vector or a vector plus b vector. That is the addition of two vectors. Now suppose you want to subtract them, right? The question is for not adding them, but the question is for to subtract them. So if you see, the negative sign is for b vector, right? A minus b and not b minus a. These question would be different. A minus b and b minus would be different. So first I'm going to solve a minus b and then b minus a. See, the negative sign is for b vector. So what you have to do, you have to reverse the direction of b vector, right? You have to reverse the direction of b vector. Like the direction of b vector is like this, you have to reverse it. The reverse of b vector would be, so suppose this is your b vector. So minus b vector would be direction reverse. That is like this. So this would be your minus b vector. When you reverse the direction, it becomes a negative vector. So this would be your minus b vector. Now, if you arrange these two vectors, the way you know how you have to arrange them, like this, an arrowhead with initial point of another vector. So then, in that case, the third side of triangle would be your r vector. So this would be your r vector, and its value would be a minus b vector. This would be your r vector, and its value would be a minus b vector. Suppose some of you have not still understood. I'll give one more example. Let us say this is a vector and this is b vector, right? This is your a vector and this is your b vector. You want to find a minus b again. Question is find a vector minus b vector. So negative sign is for b. So you have to reverse direction of b. B is going like this. So minus b would be like this. This would be minus b vector. Understood? If this is b, so minus b would be like this. And you have to arrange in that same manner that you know, from head to tail. So this would be your minus b vector. And third side of triangle, that is this, would be your r vector, and its value would be a minus b vector. This would be your r vector, and this would be a vector minus b vector. Understood? Let us take one more example. Suppose this is your a vector and this is your b vector. Okay, this is your a vector and this is your b vector, and you want to find b minus a. Question is to find b vector minus a vector. So b is positive, that means there won't be any change in direction of b. A is negative, so you will reverse its direction. So if I reverse direction of a, it would become like this, but you have to join in such a way that head and tail are coincide. And this would be your minus a vector. And if you join the third side of triangle, this would be your b minus a vector. Fine. Now I think you must have understood that how you have to subtract the vectors. Now some variations can be there. For example, let us say there are two vectors, A vector and B vector. This is your A vector and this is your B vector. Question is to find, you have to find, the first part is find A vector minus half B vector, half B vector, right? So A vector is positive, you won't be changing direction of A vector. A vector is as it is. Now B vector is negative, so you will reverse direction and it's half. So if you see this length, you have to half this length. When the question will be in paper or in any book, you will note the distance. With your scale, you can calculate its length. If it is coming 6 centimeter, for half B vector, you would be using 3 centimeter. So you will reverse direction and also reduce the length to half. Right? This would be your minus half B vector. Reduce the length to half, and you have to arrange in such a way that head and tail are coinciding. So if you join the third side, this would be your A minus half B vector. Right? So there can be variations in question like this only, that you have to subtract 2A vector minus 2B vector. So in that case, you have to double the length of A, you have to double the length of B, but you have to reverse direction of B because minus 2B vector. So such numbers can be added to increase the magnitude or decrease the magnitude of vector. In that case, you will be decreasing the length or increasing the length as per question. And the sign you have to see, if it is negative sign before the vector, you have to reverse its direction. If in some question you have to find minus A vector, minus B vector, suppose. So you have to reverse its direction also and this direction also. So in that case, the answer to this question would be, you will A vector would go downwards, B vector would go towards left side, right? B vector towards left side. So this would be your minus A minus B. This would be your minus A vector and this would be your minus B vector. So third side again would be your resultant value. The value for this question that would be minus A vector minus B vector.